Teams across Virginia, Maryland, and Delaware, and the CDC worked throughout this weekend on this. Here's where we are. Virginia has 10 poultry processing facilities, primarily in the Shenandoah Valley and the Eastern Shore, which is where my home is. Last week, data in the Eastern Shore Health District began to show a rising number of COVID cases among workers at poultry processing facilities in Accomack County. Similar facilities across the Delmarva Peninsula, including Maryland and Delaware, are seeing a similar rise in sick workers. These poultry plants are a vital part of our food supply chain, providing food to millions of people on the East Coast. But the health of the people who work in these plants is also critically important. While the companies here in Virginia are taking additional safety measures inside their facilities to protect their workers and keep the plants operational, I am very concerned about the continued rise in cases. I grew up on the Eastern Shore, and I know it very well. It's a rural area with excellent access to health care, but I know how quickly our medical resources there could be overwhelmed with a surge in cases. The workers in poultry plants are particularly vulnerable. About 3,000 people work in 2 plants on Virginia's Eastern Shore. Many of them do not speak English as their first language, and the close quarters of their housing makes measures such as isolation and quarantine even more difficult. Friday evening, I joined Governor Hogan of Maryland and Governor Carney of Delaware in writing a letter to our president. We're asking the federal government for assistance and for a fully coordinated approach in dealing with this rapidly evolving situation. Because the poultry economy on the Delmarva Peninsula is so interconnected, a coordinated approach is critical. My team worked over the weekend with our partners in these other states and with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The CDC has committed to deploying teams on the ground in all 3 states, and we expect a team to be in Virginia today. This team includes epidemiologists and contact tracers, as well as language specialists who speak Haitian Creole, the language spoken by many workers in the Delmarva plants. The CDC team will work with our local health department and VDH. We expect the CDC team to do an overall assessment of the situation and help with wider scale testing to determine the actual scope of the problem. That will allow us to take the most appropriate mitigation steps to contain the outbreak on Virginia's Eastern Shore. These requests are generating results. Yesterday, the CDC released new guidance for meat processing facilities, several of which have begun seeing large-scale outbreaks across the entire nation. Secretary of Agriculture and Forestry, Bettina Ring, and Deputy Secretary of Health and Human Resources, Gina Berger, are leading our efforts. We spoke yesterday with corporate leadership from both poultry companies with operations on the shore, and I'd like to thank them for their willingness to cooperate with us and to share needed information. While the situation on Virginia's Eastern Shore is our immediate concern, we are also following developments at the smaller poultry facilities in the Shenandoah Valley as well. Virginia has more than 120 federally inspected meat processing facilities. Our local health departments have been on the ground working with facilities to track cases, increase safety procedures, and recommending mitigation measures. We will ensure that workers are screened, provided care if they are sick, and measures are taken to protect other workers not showing symptoms.